Welcome back to my channel, Aztec Language, Bias and Forest and History 101. How do we preserve the traditions throughout the generations? Thanks to the concheros, we have preserved the beats and the proper way of the danza. Before we were under Spanish rule, when they used to see our people practice our ceremonies and traditions, they will cut off your hands if they catch you with the drum. So in order to preserve our traditions, the concheros put it into the guitar, as you can see here. So they put the same beats and rhythms into the guitar, and then back to the drum as we have now.